It all begins inside one of the most advanced manufacturing facilities in the world. Massive steel and aluminum sheets arrive, ready to be transformed into the vehicle's foundation. Laser-guided cutters slice the metal with unbelievable accuracy, down to the smallest millimeter. Robots dance in perfect harmony, welding the frame that will protect the driver for years to come. Every weld is scanned, checked, and approved to ensure maximum safety and durability. Now comes the color, the identity of the car, sprayed with robotic perfection. Now comes the color, the identity of the car, sprayed with robotic perfection. A final glossy clear coat seals in the shine and protects the paint for years to come. A final glossy clear coat seals in the shine and protects the paint for years to come. Meanwhile, the heart of the car is built, an engine crafted with absolute precision. Every gear, every shaft, every component is aligned to deliver seamless power. Every gear, every shaft, every component is aligned to deliver seamless power. Inside the cabin, wiring, electronics, and the dashboard come together like a high-tech puzzle. Luxury seats, soft-touch materials, and smart features complete the interior experience. Robots fit the windshield and windows with perfect alignment, ensuring safety and silence. The car finally stands on its own legs as wheels and tires are installed. Coolant, brake fluid, oil, and every essential fluid flows into the machine. The nearly completed vehicle moves along the final line for last-minute fittings and checks. Every car is tested, braking, speed, suspension, and safety, nothing is left to chance. Engineers inspect every inch of the vehicle under bright lights to ensure flawless quality. And finally, the journey ends here. A brand new car, polished, tested, perfected, ready for the road. Saab's Peli headlights, sharp, bright, modern. Acceleration smooth high, power delivery linear or responsive lag high. The future of electric cars is arriving faster than anyone expected. Imagine this, solid-state batteries that charge quicker than your smartphone. No heat, no waiting, and almost double the range.